Do you know many people are having trouble identifying the correct brake light bulb for their 2011 Dodge Durango? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open hatch. Open the rear hatch to access the brake light assembly area of your Dodge Durango. Step 2. Locate assembly. Locate the brake light assembly by looking near the top of the rear part of the vehicle. Step 3. Remove screws. Remove any screws or clips securing the assembly using a suitable tool, like a screwdriver. Step 4. Pull assembly. Carefully pull out the brake light assembly to uncover the light bulbs. Step 5. Replace bulb. Identify the brake light bulb and replace it with a 3057 bulb. Now you should be able to replace your Dodge Durango's brake light bulb with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dodge users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.